I met my love by the gasworks wall. Dreamed a dream by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town. Then clouds are drifting across the moon. Cats are prowling on their beat. Springs a girl from the streets at night. Dirty old town, that's it. Dirty old town. Fire away, boys. That's lovely. I hear the siren from the docks. Saw a train set the night on fire. Smelled the spring in the smoky wind. Dirty old town. Are we ready? Come on. Dirty old town. I'm going to make a big sharp axe, shining steel, tempered in the fire. I'll chop you down like an old tree. Dirty old town, dirty old town. You sing now, come on. I met my love by the gasworks wall. Dreamed a dream, dreamed of, very good, by the old canal. I kissed my girl, by the factory wall. That's lovely. Oh dear. Dirty old, that's mighty. Dirty old. We'll sing it again. I met my love by the gasworks wall. Dreamed a dream, magnanimous, by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town, dirty old town, dirty old town. Magic, magic. Thank you, thank you, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy the evening, and thank you very much for sharing our reminiscences with the departed members of the band, Luke and Kieran and Ronnie, and we hope to see you again. So we'll finish up with a song by Metallica. And it's known as